Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust RAM in your PC. We'll cover why upgrading or adjusting RAM is beneficial for system speed and multitasking. First, you'll need to identify your current RAM setup and check compatibility for new modules. Always remember to take crucial safety steps, like powering down and grounding yourself before opening your computer case. This ensures a smooth and secure process. Now, let's get into the physical installation. Begin by completely shutting down your computer and unplugging every cable. Open your computer case and find the RAM slots, usually near the CPU. Gently push down the clips on each side of the slot. Align your new RAM module with the notch, then press it firmly into the slot until the clips snap shut, securing it. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Quick recommendation: on another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After physical installation, you might need to configure your RAM in the BIOS or UEFI. Restart your computer and repeatedly press the designated key, often Delete or F2, to enter these settings. Once inside, navigate to the memory or overclocking section. Confirm that your system correctly detects the new RAM's total capacity and speed. You can also fine-tune frequency or timings here for peak performance. With your RAM installed and configured, it's time to test it. Boot into your operating system and check system properties to confirm the recognized RAM amount. For thorough verification, run a memory diagnostic tool, like Windows Memory Diagnostic, to check for errors. Finally, open some demanding applications or games to observe performance and ensure everything is stable under load.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.